right next to the spike. Now in front of the spike. Now to the left.
Straight below the spike.
What?
On the right, there's 3 walking up. One on the right, that's a calf. See it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait for that cow to clear. Let
see
her
that
stop.
Or that calf.
Okay, put it right on it, kill it.
Kill it.
She's feeding. Head up. Did that hit Dylan? Reload.
Didn't see.
Get ready.
What?
Get ready again.
Did I miss?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know. Okay, watch for when you tip over. There she goes. Got her.
Got her. Nailed it,
Yes,
Luke.
Lukey.
Good shot, Luke.
Yeah, kid, safety on. Great job, bud.
Good shot.
Great job.
I didn't think that missed.
Yep, there she goes.
I knew.
Nice work, Luke. Hey, give me some, dog.
There's a road.
Right here.
There is a road, but it's closed down there. So D, what we're gonna do, you're gonna go back, hit the truck, and come around.
Lukey just hammered a calf. Absolutely annihilated him. So Bryce and Luke are gonna head down, start getting to work on her. We had to drop into a different canyon. That is a little bit far away from the truck, so I volunteered to go and grab the truck, bring it around. There's not a road, but just bring the truck a little bit closer so we don't have to be packing out meat as far. And so here we go, cruising back. Lukey with the muscles. What's up? Ain't even scared.
You get a picture of that? Yeah.
Innovation that excites. What you know about that, Luke?
I did it wrong, man.
Skills.